Welcome 7th class students in Easy Learning channel. We learn subject maths. We start chapter number 11 circle. We complete two parts. Today we learn part number 3 arc of circle and central angle and measure of an arc. First part we learn arc of the circle. Arc of the circle. A bangle is shown alongside and called AB. Suppose it breaks at point AB. What is each of these pieces called as a part of a circle? Bangle break two parts. This piece is called as a arc of a circle. This piece is called arc. Two parts of a circle. The chord AB divides the circle alongside into two parts. AYB and AXB. Minor arc. The arc AXB is smaller and is called minor arc. AYB is bigger. The arc AYB is bigger and it's called major arc. Next, properties of an arc. If two arcs of a circle have common end of points and the arc makes complete circle, the arcs are said corresponding arcs. म्हणजे संगत कोण. Arc AYB, arc AXB are mutually corresponding arcs. Next, semicircular arcs. Semicircular म्हणजे अर्धवर्तुळ कंस. In the figure alongside chord, RT is a diameter of a circle. RT is diameter. RT diameter gives rise to two equal parts of a circle. They are called semicircular arcs. RYT and RXT semicircular arcs. Next, central angle म्हणजे केंद्रीय कोन. Central angle. In the figure, O is the vertex of the angle AOB. O is vertex म्हणजे केंद्रबिंदू आहे. An angle whose vertex is the center of the circle is called central angle. म्हणजेच कोनाचा शिरोबिंदू जर केंद्रबिंदू असेल तर त्या कोनाला केंद्रीय कोन असे म्हणतात. Angle AOB is the central angle corresponding to arc AZB. म्हणजेच केंद्रीय कोनाचे माप कंसाचे माप मानले जाते. नेक्स्ट, मेजर ऑफ एन आर्क. Measure of an arc. The measure of the angle subtend to the center by an arc is taken to the measure of an arc. If angle AOB is 60 degree, measure arc AZB is 60 degree. AZB is corresponding arc. Next, how to written angle measure and arc measure. Measure of a minor arc. In this figure, angle measure written as measure angle AOQ 70 degree. Then written as arc measure arc AYQ is 70 degree. Next, find the measures of arc. Minor arc AYQ is 70 degree. What is the major arc? AXQ. Measure of arc. Complete angle measure is 360 degree. Minor arc 70 degree. 360 degree minus 70 degree is equal to 290 degree. Measure of मेजर आर्क AXQ is 290 degree. म्हणजेच विशाल कंस AXQ चे माप 290 आहे. नेक्स्ट, द मेजर ऑफ द कंप्लीट सर्कल. द मेजर ऑफ कंप्लीट सर्कल. When the radius OA of a circle turns anti-clockwise as shown in the figure alongside, through a complete angle it turns through an angle that measure 360 degree. Its end point A completes one circle. The angle subtended at the center by the circle is 360 degree. The measure of the complete circle is 360 degree. म्हणजे पूर्ण वर्तुळाचे माप हे 360 अंश असते. नेक्स्ट, द मेजर ऑफ सेमी सर्क्युलर आर्क्स म्हणजे अर्धवर्तुळ कंसाचे माप. Arc AYB and AXB is semicircular arcs. The measure of the semicircular arc AYB is 180 degree. 180 degree. Arc AXB, the measure of the semicircular arc AXB is 180 degree. Semicircular arc's measure is 180 degree. Now, I know in this part, the measure of minor arc is equal to corresponding central angle लघु कंसाचे माप केंद्रीय कोनाच्या मापा एवढे असते. The measure of a major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. म्हणजेच विशाल कंसाचे माप बरोबर 360 अंश वजा संगत कंसाचे माप. द मेजर ऑफ सेमी सर्क्युलर आर्क इज 180 डिग्री. म्हणजे अर्धवर्तुळ कंसाचे माप हे 180 अंश असते. माय डिअर स्टुडंट्स, लुक अगेन ॲट द पार्ट टॉट टुडे and write in your notebook. Thanks my dear students. Stay home, stay safe and study regular.